Alright, this is West Virginia, and Tim's on the other side. It has been raining off and on all day. This is the old house site you can see in the woods. I had been here before. I've been having a terrible day. Tim's just dug like 2 or 3 buttons right over on the other side. He's got his like gigantic 15-inch coil on his AT Pro, but you can see I got the Deus and I got the bag on the control panel, but off and on rain, heavy wind, just miserable. We've actually been in the car for like 20 minutes waiting for the rain to stop. So anyway, it's starting to rain again, but I just came across here and dug right here and got a solid 88, and I dug what appears to be maybe a King George, because on the back you can see maybe that's maybe Britannica sitting there on the throne. I don't want to scrape it too much before I clean it, but anyway, I'm hoping, because these boys have been beating me up pretty good. I got an Indian head, a couple wheat pennies and stuff from the other site, but like I said, it's been raining and it's just been miserable. So anyway, hopefully this coin will redeem my prestige and luck, because Tim is hurting me pretty good. Anyway, we'll get it cleaned up tonight and we'll repost. All right, thanks a lot. Hey, West Virginia, just dug this neat little ornamental piece here. It's got a flower on it on the back. It's got some nice gold gilt. But came up with 78. It was about 3 inches in the ground. So anywho, that's a nice little find. So anyway, Tim was just right there. I guess he's walking a grid or something. But anyway, yeah, there's some graves right here, and then there's some graves behind me. Over here, I'm just kind of doing a little grid around everything. So, we'll take it. Getting a little bad again. The rain's starting to kick in a little bit again. West Virginia, Tim, somewhere. And we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Hey, West Virginia, just finally found my first button today, which is unusual. Usually I find a lot of buttons, but this one's plated. This camera does not want to zoom. I don't know if it's... There we go. So it's going to clean up nice. Work it with a dry pick, and it should clean up real nice. And pretty plain front. Alright, it came up 78, 3-4 inches. Alright, thanks a lot. Alright, West Virginia, just found another button. It was literally, kicked the dirt over. Hold on. There we go. I kicked the dirt over, and it was about a 1/4 inch in the ground. This one came up a 50. So make sure you're digging good repeatable signals. Alright, Western Virginia, thanks a lot. Western Virginia, Just found a 1906 Indian hip penny right here. Again, I just scraped the dirt out of the way and it was less than an inch in the ground. So I'm just gridding this area. And a lot of trash, getting a lot of trash, so there's more to it than what you're seeing. Alright, just give her a little dry rub tonight and she'll be good as new. Alright, West Virginia, thanks. Yeah, it's naval. Smile. No. No, he does not want to smile because I found that. Well, this thing does not like to adjust.
A new camera?
Yeah.
Damn.
There it goes. It's picking up the day. There it goes. It's in there now. That's a pretty button.
Yeah, damn right, is a pretty button.
Came out about 3.5 inches. Right there. We're in a new, well, we're in a different field than we were just a minute ago.
Well, where's footprints at? Further.
They were coming across here, going that way.
Yeah, that was probably Chuck the other night. Damn. Damn.
It was just a matter of time for the day it got warmed up, Tim.
Hey, you know what that is too? That's on line towards where Ryan's button was.
Yep. I'm trying to get this daggum thing to focus. It's a pretty button. It just won't focus, guys. I'm sorry. Alright. Well, I like to thank Tim, as usual. His hospitality is second to none. There you go. That is a beautiful button. Shanks intact. Bada bing, bada boom. Thanks for watching. Tim just got him a nice one. Same button Jersey found last winter out here. And we didn't get an ID, but he's going to put it on there tonight. Hopefully we'll get an ID on it. Because it could... Looks like New York to me. But it's a nice button.
Or it could be IN.
IN, yeah. Indiana, yeah. It's a good looking button though. What did it come up as?
Oh. It was 65, 66.
65, 66. And look at that monster coil. Not that deep either.
No.
Cool. Alright. Alright, we're both on the board. Where'd you get the ball button? This morning?
Yeah, over there.
Oh, nice.
Got that one in a flat over there, and a harmonica reed.
Cool.
2 seals. Oh, I got this other ball button. It's smashed.
Oh yeah.
Smashed to heck. There's the bottom side of it. Oh, all this is here.
Cool. Alrighty.
And that's got to go right there.
Yeah. Put that with the cotton.
I mean, this is still. I mean, it's damn good legible.
Yeah, it's a pretty button.
This
Alrighty.
is back in here is right where Ryan found that 1812.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So I just figured since I got the big daddy coil on, I'd come over and hit it with the big daddy.
That's right.